Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be discussing the Reid Index. The Reid Index is going to be important when we are going to be diagnosing chronic bronchitis. Now with chronic bronchitis, it is mostly a condition that occurs in smokers. And the reason for this is because smokers are going to be inhaling a lot of irritants and particles that are going to be damaging our lungs. So when we have these particles, they're accumulating in our lungs. What needs to happen is we need to produce more mucus in order to get rid of these particles. And what produces these mucus is going to be our mucus glands. So over time, because we need an increase in mucus production, these mucus glands are basically going to divide and then basically going to hypertrophy within the submucosa. And the way we diagnose chronic bronchitis is when we basically measure the thickness or the space these mucus glands take up compared to the submucosa and the lamina propria. So in this equation, what we see is these mucus glands. We're going to be measuring the size of these mucus glands compared to the submucosa and the lamina propria. In normal people, the Reid index is going to be less than 40%, but with chronic bronchitis, what we're going to see is greater than 50%. And again, the reason for this is because we need an increase in the production of mucus in order to get rid of the irritants in our lungs. So here, what we could do is we can ask the question, what would be the equation to measure Reid index in this picture? So we're going to be measuring the mucus glands. That is going to be the letter C all over the lamina propria, which is represented by the letter B, as well as the submucosa, which is going to be the combination of C as well as D. So in this picture, this will be the equation for the Reid index.